Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are discussing about data visualization in Python. So let's see some examples. Here we begin with importing. We begin with by loading a dataset called Google Play Store version 2.csv into a pandas data frame, and we inspect the first few rows of the data frame using the df.head and to understand its structure, checking its shape of the data frame and using the df.shape, and obtaining information about the data frame using df.info, and examining data types of the with I mean df. Data types with df.data types. And after that we have to treatment the missing values, and we identify missing values in the dataset using df.isNull.sum function, and drop rows with missing values in the rating column to create a new data frame called df1 here. And after that we handle the incorrect data types, and using and basically we convert the price column from object type to float 24 float 64, and this involves writing a function to handle various formats of price strings and applying it to the column. And this is the process. And after that we basically move to the sanity checks, and here we perform sanity checks on the data, such as ensuring the number of reviews doesn't exceed the number of installs, and drop records, like here, drop records where the number of reviews exceeds the number of installs. And after that we basically plot the histograms, and we want to see the plotting of the data by histogram, and we create histograms to visualize the distribution of reviews column before and after the data cleaning. And here the plotting shows the plotting of the reviews by histogram. And three plotting we are performing here, like at first here we perform mm, so we perform the histogram, we perform the plotting of the histogram, like df1.reviews and plt.show, and we get this kind of histogram. And after that we convert reviews column to numeric, and using the pd.to numeric function. And then we basically want to give some restrictions, or some parameters, like here the df1 of reviews less or equal to when df1 of reviews less or equal to 1 lakh, then we get it, and I mean the drop records where reviews is greater than 1 lakh. And after that we perform our plotting. Again we checking the peaks, and plot the histogram, and df1.reviews, and if we plot it, we get that kind of histogram. And after that we create a distribution plot for rating. And we basically perform df1.rating and plotting the histogram, and after the performing the operation, and we get this kind of histogram. And in this video we only show the histogram portion, plotting of the histogram, and in the next video we will see the seaborn and other libraries. Thank you guys.